Hi friends and my teachers. Myself Harshitram. I am studying in Shikshaniketan school. So today my topic is about acid, base and salt. So friends, what is acid? Acid is a chemical substance that releases hydrogen ions to react with other substance to form salts. There are two types of acids such as mineral acids and organic acids. Mineral acids and organic acids are also known as strong acids and weak acids. In mineral acids, there are four types of acids which are sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, citric acid and nitric acid. And in organic acids, there are many different types of acids such as in tomato, oxalic acid is found. In lemon, we find citric acid is found. And in examples, HCl means hydrochloric acid, H2SO4 means sulfuric acid, HNO3 means nitric acid, and CH2COOH means acetic acid, and CH2O2 means formic acid. Let's take an example for mineral acid. In mineral acid, sulfuric acid is the king of acid. It is also used for in car batteries, and it is mainly used for paints, drugs, dyes, and to produce fertilizer. Let's go to properties of acids. Sour and corrosive. Yes, it's true. Acids are sour and corrosive. Example: sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid. Now let's move on to images. There are three types of acids such as acetic acid, sulfuric acid, and hydrochloric acid. Let's take an image here where the factories remove existing the acids to our atmosphere, and we can see a clear acid rain to our Earth's surface, and we can see many plants and animals destroying, and households are destroyed. We can see a source of acids such as lemon, citric acid, tomato, oxalic acid, grapes, tartaric acid, milk, lactic acid, formic acid, and malic acid, apple, and vinegar, acetic acid. So friends, did you understand? Now let's move on to base. Base are the substance that are aqueous solution. It releases hydroxide into water and slippery to touch and bitter to taste. There are two types of base: strong base and weak base. In strong base, there are many different types such as calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide, and there are strong corrosive. Here in weak base, there are many different types such as ammonium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, and copper hydroxide. As well as in food also we can get corn and starch and egg white. And now shall we move on to base. Bitter to taste. Yes, some base are bitter to taste such as lemon water and detergent are bitter to taste. And not soluble in water. Yes, it's true. Some base are not soluble in water such as petroleum, oil, and kerosene and diesel are not soluble in water. And still more, I have did some details for this. Uses of base such as calcium hydroxide. It is also used for protecting agriculture from insects, and it is also used for dry makers for painting and decorating. And next point, magnesium hydroxide. It is also used for cleaning our stomach, like such as Eno powder, etc. And sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide it is also used for manufacturing textiles, papers, and detergent, and is also used for cleaning our drainages. Now let's move on to images. You can see soap water, and it is these are all bases which are used for household things like such as kitchen, bathrooms, etc. And lemon juice and vinegar is also a base. Here we can see common household between acid and base, such as in acids they are not harmful to us, and base are not too harmful to us, little harmful. And next about salt. Friends, when acid and base react with each other, and it forms neutralizations. And properties of salt are melting and boiling points. Yes, when salts are in cooling temperature, it melts down, and when it is high temperature, it boils. And solubility in water. Yes, some salts such as rock salt and normal salt soluble in water and water of crystallizations. Every salt has a water of molecules. Let us take an example as copper sulfate. It has 5 molecules, so it is called as water of crystallization. Uses of salts are in bakeries and medicines. We find sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, and silver nitrate. And examples of NaHCO3 means sodium bicarbonate, and NaCO2 means sodium carbonate, and AgNO3 means silver nitrate. And here is the example for salt is hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide equals to sodium chloride plus water. And let us, or else we can take an example such as ENO powder and water, and like ENO powder as acid and base as a water, and if we mix it, we mix these two both and we find an acid, find an salt. Thank you.